Okay, so this was stomata which we were doing. Now the 90% of water is lost through stomata. Now where are these stomata present? They are present in the leaves as opening. But one thing you have to remember, now if you see these leaves, they have two sides. One upper side and one lower side. Okay, just to show you all, I'll take a bigger leaf. Just to show you all, I'll take a bigger leaf. Now if you see this leaf, these leaves, they have a upper side and a lower side. Now the number of stomatas are more on the lower surface. On the lower surface of the leaf, there will be more stomata, but here there will be less. This is because it will prevent excessive transpiration. Because the sunlight will fall directly on the upper surface. Where the number of stomatas are less, it will not fall directly on the lower surface. So it will prevent excessive transpiration. Got? So it will prevent the excessive transpiration because most stomata are present on the lower surface. Got about stomatal transpiration? Stomatal transpiration is the first type of transpiration which takes place through stomata, and almost 90% of water is lost through this stomatal transpiration. The second one is, the second type of transpiration is cuticular transpiration. Okay. Now what is this cuticle? This is nothing but a waxy layer. Cuticle is nothing but waxy coat on epidermis of leaf. The waxy coat which is there on the epidermis of the leaf. The best example is this leaf. Okay, you must have seen this leaf. If I put water droplet, it directly falls off. You can see, if I put water droplets, it falls off, or it can come together. You can see, this is because of the presence of cuticle. Okay, this is due to the presence of cuticle. So cuticle is nothing but the waxy coat on the epidermis of the leaf. Now there are sometimes when it is very hot, the transpiration will also take place through this cuticle. Again I will show what is cuticle. It is nothing but the waxy coat on this leaf. It depends on different plants. The waxy coat will be more in this case because this mostly grows during the rainy season, and a lot of water falls on this leaf. So to prevent the breakage of leaf, the water just goes out. You can see. So this is cuticular transpiration. That is, the cuticular transpiration is through the cuticle. Through the cuticle. Cuticle is the waxy coat on the epidermis of the leaf, and this is just say 5% to 10% of transpiration take place through this method. Just 5 to 10% of transpiration will take place through this method. And the third type of transpiration is lenticular transpiration. Okay. Now as the name suggests, lenticular transpiration, it is transpiration through lenticels. It is transpiration through lenticels. Now what is this lenticels? Lenticels are nothing. They are holes or pores on the stem, on the old stem. On the old stem, there are special spores present. You can see this stem. These are the spores. The pores which are present on the stem, that also releases water in the form of water vapor. These pores, they also releases water in the vapor form, and this type of transpiration is called lenticular transpiration. It is just 0.5% transpiration which can take place through these lenticels. Through lenticels, just 0.5% of transpiration can take place. This is a special opening. The lentis has a special openings on the old stem. Okay. So this was about the three types of transpiration. The three types of transpiration I just repeat again. One is stomata. It is through the stomata. More than 90%, say 95% of transpiration can take place through this. Second one is cuticular transpiration. It is through cuticles. I have already shown you a cuticle. The best example was using this leaf. When you put water, it forms droplets. It does not stick here on the leaf, but it just goes off because of the waxy layer, which is called as the cuticle. Got? This cuticular transpiration, it is 5 to 10%. The next last type of transpiration which we saw was lenticular transpiration. So what are these lenticels? These lenticels are nothing but the pores on the stem. On the old stem. The pores which are present on the old stem, through this also water can come out in the form of water vapor, but it is just 0.5%. Got the three types of transpiration? Okay, so I'll stop here. Let's see. So this is about transpiration.